forget what the saying is. Eyebrows aren't sisters, they're twins. No, eyebrows aren't twins, they're sisters or they're cousins or something like that. Anyway. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm coming to you all natural and up close and personal because before I put my makeup on today, I wanted to demonstrate how I do my eyebrows. So today's video will be an eyebrow tutorial. What I do is I like to outline them and fill them in to give them a little bit more shape. I feel like the way I do my eyebrows are very simple. I try to keep my eyebrows as natural as possible. I literally only use 2 products when I do my eyebrows, so hopefully this will be a very simple and easy tutorial. Okay, so I've put my hair back so that you can get a better view and so my hair doesn't get in the way as I do my eyebrows today. So last week I did have an event and I went to the salon to get them waxed just to clean them up a little bit, but that was a week ago, so now I have a little bit of hair growing in. So before I fill in my eyebrows, I just like to take my tweezers and I like to just kind of pluck any hairs that have grown in that are sticking out that you can see. If I don't get every single hair, it's totally fine. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you just want to get any of them that are noticeable. Don't want to tweeze too much. Obviously, you don't want to completely tweeze away your eyebrows, but you just want to clean them up just a little bit. So what I like to use is just a pencil. This is actually from Loreal Paris. This is their Brow Stylist Definer. And this is what I like to use every day. It's really easy to use. It comes with a spoolie on one end so that you can kind of brush your hair all one way and kind of blend it all in. And then on the other end is the actual pencil. And you don't even need a sharpener. It really just twists up so you can see the pencil tip there. And that's what you use to outline and fill in your eyebrows. What I like to do first is outline my eyebrows, and then I go in and shade and kind of blend it. What I like to do is just follow the shape of my natural eyebrow, but also just kind of filling them in spots where I wish I had hair, where I wish my eyebrows were a little fuller. So like right here where it's a little too high up, I'll outline there and then shade in. So now that I have the outline of my eyebrow here, I'm just going to start the process of shading it in. Sometimes I like to do a like upward motion to kind of give it an idea of real hair. Okay, so this is the first eyebrow. It's not perfect yet because I will show you how I clean them up with concealer. That's the second product that I use. So right now you could just kind of see how I've shaded it in and gave it a little bit more shape. And now I will do the second eyebrow. You don't want to do it too hard when you're outlining your eyebrows. You don't want to have it too dramatic. You kind of just want to feather it so that, you know, you can kind of clean it up really easily. Okay, I know this eyebrow looks a little crazy, but that's okay because we're going to clean it up with concealer anyway, and I'll show you what I use for that. So the concealer that I like to use to clean up around my eyebrows is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So this is probably my favorite concealer. You can get this from Walgreens, CVS, very inexpensive. And this is in the shade 30 Cafe. So I like to use a small flat brush when I'm cleaning up around my eyebrows, and this brush is specifically from Morphe. So what I'll do is I'll just use the applicator just to get the concealer and dab it on my brush just a little bit. I don't like to use too much, just for me to clean it up. I'm not trying to make it too dramatic, especially when I do my everyday makeup. It is not dramatic at all. It just has a little bit of concealer on there. So now we will start the cleanup process. And then I'll just blend it out so you don't have that harsh concealer line underneath. All right, see the difference between the two? One looks nice and sharp and clean, and one needs some cleanup. So we're gonna clean up this one now. So again, I'm just going to dab a little bit of concealer on my brush. And now we will start the cleanup process for the other one. Now I'm just kind of blending out all of the concealer to make it look a little bit more natural, and so you don't have any harsh concealer lines. And this will basically prep me for when I do my full face of makeup as well. So now what I'll do is I'll use the spoolie side of the eyebrow pencil to kind of blend everything together and make sure my hair is going all the same way. So I am pretty much done with my eyebrows. Hopefully you can see the difference from before I started to now. I'll even do like a little before or after picture. So I'll show you the final look with my full face of makeup. So now that I have my makeup on, hopefully you can see how my eyebrows just kind of bring the whole look together. I guess you can just see how I just shaped my eyebrows and filled them in to give them a little bit more shape and definition. So hopefully this simple and easy eyebrow tutorial will help. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or advice or suggestions on how you do your eyebrows, just make sure you put them in the comment box below. Again, I'll be posting videos every Sunday, so make sure you subscribe.